Hey everyone, it's your friend Abdul Basit, and in this video we are going to learn how to install VirtualBox on any Windows. So here I am using Windows 10, and if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8 or 8.1, the method is the same. So let's talk about what is VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a software which allows you to run an operating system inside your current operating system. So if I have Windows installed right now and I want to test another operating system, I could use VirtualBox. So this is a great software for letting you test drive an operating system and other stuff like that. So let's start. So first of all, we're going to head into our browser, and here we're going to type VirtualBox download. So here you can see the first link here. It says downloads Oracle VM VirtualBox. So this is the link we have to click. Okay, so the link is opened and this is the download page for VirtualBox. Here we can see there are a couple of links here for the download. Here is the first one is the Windows hosts for Windows operating system. Second one is for OS X, means for Mac OS. The third one is for Linux operating systems, and here we can see Solaris. Solaris is another operating system based on Linux. So if you're on that operating system or any of these, you can download them from here. The method should be pretty much translatable for any operating system, but we are here working on Windows, so we will download our Windows host. Okay, I will start the downloading, and till the downloading is done we will meet again. Okay, so the download has finished and we are gonna open the setup file. We will click on run, and here we'll click on next. So here are some settings which we do not need to change, so we will click next, and here you can see some options. So here it says create start menu entries. So what does it mean by creating start menu entries? If you go on to your start menu, here these are the start menu entries. So when that is checked, you will get a folder or an icon like that for VirtualBox in our start menu. And create a shortcut on the desktop. It will place a shortcut on the desktop so we can open it pretty much easily. I will show you that after the installation has been done. Here it says create a shortcut in the quick launch bar. We do not need to change that, and register file associations. This will help you whenever you download any file that is compatible with the VirtualBox software. So it will show you an icon of VirtualBox with that file, and you can open it up pretty much easily with VirtualBox. So for that, we'll just keep them like this and click on next. Here it says warning network interfaces. So what will this do is that it will disable your current network connection, and then it will install some network drivers in your PC so that it can connect that operating system that you will be running in VirtualBox, that can connect to your current network. This is why it needs to install some drivers. So we will click here yes and click on install. So now the installation has begun. It will take several minutes. Here this is a security warning, so we'll click yes. It'll take a few minutes. Okay, so the installation has finished. Let's start. Okay, so here you can see the main screen of VirtualBox. So we are done for now, and we'll teach you how to configure it, how to install an operating system in our later videos. So stay tuned for that. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you can get the latest updates on our videos. So thank you for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.